What's up, YouTube? Jay here with another video. Today I'm going to be outlining and coloring the picture of Master Roshi that I drew of this big collaborative drawing that I did of all my favorite Dragon Ball Z characters that I enjoyed in the past. And so we're just gonna get started. Today I'm gonna be using the 0.5 Prismacolor marker. It's a illustration marker that I got off Amazon. So first I like to start off with, the eyebrow, you know what I'm saying? Just get in there. Get those lines down. Go slow. There's no rush to drawing or anything. We want fine lines. Alright, so now that I have completed the outlining, now I will go in and erase the pencil markings so we can color over it. Alright, so now that I have finished erasing the markings, the pencil markings, I will now go over it with the PM78 to create the base layer of his skin, which is brick beige of the Prismacolor markers. And tips for this is to go slow and take your time. We're just coloring it. All right, gonna start here. It's already filling already. It looks so beautiful already. This is why I enjoy drawing with Prismacolor markers, because it just makes the artwork pop. Like I'm just getting started on a thing and it's coming together already in my brain. And I'm guessing this is what artwork is about, bringing your artwork to life. And it may not look like it's popping right now, but it kind of is. This is just a shading right now. And I'm just doing it in sections, but let me wait till I add the color of the eyeglasses and stuff. It'll pop even more. The one thing I had to learn when I wish I would known when I was younger, when I started drawing, was to be patient in your drawings. Because if you're patient, you can get your artwork done. I would just quickly do my artwork and never get it finished, and never be my full potential. But now I've learned to do that and bring out my full potential in every drawing I do. Shading inside a beard, and what I'm going to use is the French gray, 20%. This will put the shadowing inside his shirt. We do not want the chisel side. All right, let's see what I can do. Okay. So, I have some shading right here. Some shading right there. There. And the shading kind of looks like his beard. Looks like it's kind of spiking, you know. I don't know how I would do that. I think I know how. There we go. I didn't understand it at first, but now I do. I don't understand the spikes in the shadow, but then I just remembered that they were reversed. I'm really enjoying this. I feel like myself now, like when I'm drawing this picture. I'm coloring this picture. I feel like I'm really, you know, getting something done. I usually don't do that in my artwork. All my artwork is like unfinished. This one I'm gonna finish, and I'm gonna hang this on my wall. I probably will make prints of it too. Maybe people will buy it or something. Hopefully. All right. So the shade is kind of like a bluish. Just want to put the shading of muted turquoise, and it's PM196-198. Just gonna do a little box right there. Just do a little box right there, because I'm gonna go back in with some blue and fix that up. And this one, just put some little, just gonna do some blue like that, right there. This is seeing where there's more than one color. Side glasses. Ooh. And I just found the color that I wanted for the glasses, I believe. Let me check. Yep, that matches the color of the picture photo I have. So I'm gonna put it in there. There we go. Let's making that a little bit pop right there, see? Pop in, pop in, pop in. That's Master Roshi and his messed up freaking glasses. It is him. Alright, let's kind of finish off the glasses with the yellow a little bit. It will come in with the blue to kind of complete the whole glass. In there like that. And right now I'm just brandishing it because there's no point in me layering this. It's too small to layer, you know. And it's okay if you have those black markings. That's for me erasing. It's okay to have those. It's kind of like it has more shading and more, you know, design to what the picture really is. Alright, so I'm kind of done with the shading of the glasses. Let's go in and do the other color of blue to the glasses. Make them look like they're real glasses. You know, makes them look like they're shining. See? Isn't that cool? Nice. Looks like boondocks. So, we are kind of finished. Let me just go back through and with the 0.5 and, you know, make the other stuff pop a little bit. So I have finished Master Roshi. It looks good. I think he looks good. I'm just gonna go back in and finish those last details. I like the outlinings and stuff. You know, you want to make it look tidy. Always make sure your drawings are tidy. You know. And then he's not actually finished. We just gotta do his kind of similar to the last highlights. And there weren't really big ones in this photo. Probably just this one on his face. Right here. Alright, complete. Now. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you share it. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.